Welcome to the baking aisle, everybody, and a happy new year to you all. I hope you enjoyed your holidays. During this past holiday, guys, I baked a lot of treats and I'm sharing the favorites with you. I am beginning with the banana cake. This is a really simple recipe that you can put together so quickly. Let's get right into it. Start by bringing in a bowl and then placing a sift over the bowl. Now add 500 grams of all-purpose flour to your sift, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now give that a good sift. When you're done, bring in your spatula and give it a good mix. Then set it aside. Onto your wet ingredients. You want to chop 4 medium-sized overripe banana into chunks and then placing it in a bowl. To that, add the juice of 1 lemon and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Now give that a good blend. I am using my measuring blender, but you can use whichever blender you have on hand. Then add 230 grams of white sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 5 eggs at room temperature. Now you want to add these eggs one at a time and mix well after every addition. That done, you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of banana essence. Now give that a good mix. Next step is to sift your dry ingredients over your wet ingredients, okay? So do that in 3 batches. Now folding your flour in 3 batches as gently as you can. Now guys, if you've not already subscribed, consider doing so, and when you do, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And just like that, your banana cake batter is ready. The next thing is to transfer it to your prepared pan. Now that all your batter is in your pan, give it a good shake. And then, of course, the all good tap. Tap out that excess air. Then bake this cake in the center rack of your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Until you insert a skewer and it comes out clean. Guys, just look at this. Look at this. Look at how it bounces back. It is so fluffy and delicious. And guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you did give this recipe a try. Consider giving me a like if you liked this video. And of course, share this video with your friends and families. Thank you and bye-bye.